Money mistakes, the greedy trap. There are many ways to make mistakes with money, and one of the key human app is to understand how to avoid them or to use others' mistakes to your own advantage. What masquerades as free often hides a trap. It's the business deal too good to be true, the political alliance laced with concessions, or the favor from a friend that subtly turns into leverage. Letting your wealth circulate freely is not wasteful. It's strategic. In politics, generosity of resources, whether aid or alliances, projects strength and cultivates loyalty. In social dynamics, a well-timed act of genuine, selfless giving can solidify influence and inspire reciprocal respect. Generosity, when wielded deliberately, is a language of authority. It signals confidence, abundance, and the ability to give without weakening your own position. Those who understand the power of paying their way, of bearing the full price without hesitation, command not just respect but loyalty. Picture Frank Underwood in House of Cards, masterfully playing the game of power. His seemingly generous offers a cushy job. Political support always came with unspoken conditions. The recipients, blindsided by the initial glow of his favor, eventually found themselves trapped in his web, their freedom exchanged for fleeting gains. The lesson? What is freely given often comes at the steepest cost, your autonomy. In politics, we see this with alliances forged in desperation. A nation accepting aid from a superpower may find itself shackled by the unspoken demands of the donor, a vote at the UN, a military base on its soil, or even the compromise of its sovereignty. The same principle applies in personal relationships. Imagine a friend who generously offers their help, only to subtly remind you later of how much you owe them. You begin to feel the weight of their expectations, unspoken yet suffocating. That free favor becomes an emotional chain, limiting your autonomy and adding layers of guilt and obligation. In the realm of human influence, the truly wise understand that independence and room to maneuver are priceless. Paying the full cost isn't just a transaction. It's a statement of intent, a refusal to be ensnared by obligations or compromises. It's the diplomat who avoids accepting gifts from foreign dignitaries, knowing that each gesture of goodwill carries the potential for manipulation. In paying the full price, you not only secure quality but assert your freedom to lead on your own terms. For every master of money's subtle game, thousands more are ensnared by their own rigid, self-defeating relationship with it, a stubborn refusal to wield wealth as a creative or strategic force. These individuals are trapped in cycles of fear, envy, or moral posturing that ultimately leave them powerless. Recognizing these patterns isn't just useful. It's vital, whether to sidestep their corrosive influence or to exploit their blind spots to your advantage. Greedy fish make the easiest catch. For the con artist, their dream prey those blinded by the gleam of easy money, who lunge for bait without questioning the hook. With the right lure, a mere whisper of wealth, they're entangling themselves in traps they could have easily avoided. Their world is one of numbers, quick schemes, and shortcuts, oblivious to the finer currents of human psychology, even their own blind spots. To deal with such creatures, you have two paths: stay far enough to avoid their web or manipulate their insatiable hunger into a net of your own design. In business, the greedy fish are the entrepreneurs chasing rapid returns without questioning the terms. Bernie Madoff exploited this archetype with chilling precision. His Ponzi scheme thrived because his victims, wealthy investors and financial institutions, were seduced by the promise of consistent high returns. Madoff's calm demeanor, his impeccably tailored suits, and the exclusivity of his offers created an aura of legitimacy that made skepticism seem unnecessary. Greed clouded their judgment, turning sophisticated minds into willing prey. In movies, characters like Jordan Belfort in The Wolf of Wall Street exemplify the con artist's mastery. He entices others into his world with flashy promises and a lifestyle that's irresistible. His prey are those who are hungry for wealth, eager to climb the social ladder, and blind to the moral cost of their ambition. The more they pursue their desire, the more they feed into the con, drawn deeper into the spiral of deception. He gives just enough to keep them hooked, but they never reach the promised reward. It's a game of smoke and mirrors, and the prey is so lost in their own dreams of success that they fail to see they are being played. The psychology behind this is simple yet devastating. Greed blinds the victim, and the con artist understands that. The fish, with their narrow focus, are so consumed by their obsession with easy money, their desire to win quickly, that they ignore the deeper dynamics at play. They fail to notice that their desperation is manipulated, the false promises dangled in front of them. But the reverse is also true. By recognizing greed in a rival, you can outmaneuver them, steering their fixation on short-term gain to your strategic advantage. The savvy strategist knows how to turn the greedy fish's weakness into strength. A rival obsessed with quick wins can be lured into overextending resources, leaving themselves vulnerable. A business competitor blinded by profit can be coaxed into deals that benefit you more than them. The trick is to never appear too eager yourself. Greed may be their undoing, but it doesn't have to be yours. Recognize the pattern, use it wisely, and decide whether to evade their snare or weave a net of your own. The art lies not just in spotting the hook, but in deciding whose line will pull the catch. Did you like this analysis? It is an excerpt of Human Dynamics Mind Map of 52 Human Apps, a new book from influence architects describing 52 key human behaviors. The goal is to offer you the type of support and consulting services only major decision makers are generally getting. Influence architects show you human dynamics, unveil propaganda, debunking fake news, shatter illusions, present myths and lies. We unfake for you. We show human behavior patterns. We expose how the overlords rule. We work as your influence radar. Our channel will provide regular updates prepared by our team focusing on day-to-day challenges as well as on issues that affect most of us, from financial to career moves, social political pressure, current trends and news propaganda, health lifestyle and personal relationships negotiations. Our subscribers can go further with dedicated support. We do also personal support and coaching.